What are the properties are available for a file in your file directories? Those all properties are called attributes of a file. So here I am going to explain you file attributes. Definitely these are the attributes which I have say in few minutes. Those are all available for a file. Definitely. First one is name. Definitely there will be a name for a file. So that is also a property. That's why it is an attribute. Name is an attribute of a file. Name is file name. Which file have you have put for the file, that is file name is a name of name. Name means which name is you have put for a file, that is called name. And second one is location. There will be a path for every file. Example, take C drive Ramesh videos and os.mp4. mp4 is a file name, os is a file name, and this is a path to access that file. So in Ramesh videos directory, os mp4 file is presented. That's why it is a location. There will be a location for a file. And third one is type. There will be a type for every file. What's the structure of a file? What's the structure of a file? It is obj file, or it is a class file, or it is Java file, or it is Python file, or it is C file, or it is C plus CPP file, or it is mp4 file, or it is mp3 file. So these are the all types of file. Different types of files are there in our file systems. That's why there will be definitely a type for a file. And size, there will be a size for a file, that will be 450 MB or 1 MB or 1000 KB. So this is the size of a file. How much amount of data it is used, that will be a size for a file. So that's why it is also an attribute to a file. And date and time, where when you have created that file, when you have recently accessed that file, and when you have managed that file. So those are all are the information which are uncovered in the date and time. ఏమేమి ఉంటాయంటే దీంట్లో, ఎప్పుడైతే నువ్వు ఆ ఫైల్ని క్రియేట్ చేస్తావో అది ఉంటుంది. వెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ క్రియేటెడ్, వెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ రీసెంట్లీ మాడిఫైడ్, ఆ డేట్ అండ్ టైం ఉంటుంది. అండ్ ఎప్పుడు దాన్ని యాక్సెస్ చేసావన్నమాట. సో యాక్సెస్డ్, రీసెంట్లీ యాక్సెస్డ్. సో ఈ మూడు యొక్క ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అనేది మనకి డేట్ అండ్ టైం కిందకు వస్తుంది. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఫైల్కి ఉండే మినిమం యాట్రిబ్యూట్స్ అనమాట.